Greetings, today we're going to be going over a quick tutorial of Pinan Nidan. Okay? So. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to step out with our left foot into a horse stance. And we're going to do a low block. After this, you're going to rotate your hand up, you're going to shift into a cat stance, and you're going to hammer down like this. Let me go this direction. You can see. You're going to low block. One. This is going to come up, and you're going to do this. Right? So we go 1, 2, and then we're going to step forward into a front stance and do a punch. We're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Horse stance, low block, strike down, step, punch. After here, we're going to step to our left with our left foot, and then we're going to do a low block. And following that, we're going to do 3 steps with rising blocks. So I'm going to stand, I'm going to walk in place, but you would go forward. You're going to step forward, 1, 2, 3. At the end of this, your back step, or your back foot is going to cross step, and you're going to turn around. Okay? So I'm going to do that from the other side. So we're going to be here. You just did the right fist, the right block. You're going to cross step. You're going to turn around and do a low block, and then you're going to step and do a high punch. Bring it back. Come into a false stance or a cat stance, and you're going to shift 45 degrees the other direction to a low block and high punch. And then from here, you're going to go forward, low block, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to stay in place, step, punch, step, punch, step, punch. All right? So after this, you're going to draw in your back foot, and you're going to turn all the way around into a cat stance, like this. Okay? You go from this side, you go from here, you're going to turn like this and do a low knife hand. You're going to step in and shift, and then you're going to go 45 degrees the other direction. Go here, step, and here, and then down. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do the full kata at a different angle and maybe from 2 different sides so you get a better view. Alright, I hope that was beneficial. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, train hard.